Do you often see the night sky and realize how beautiful it is? It was supposed to be dark and terrible night, but it becomes brighter with the light of the moon. But what if the earth had two moons? Will the night will be brighter and more beautiful? What is the impact on the earth? Before explaining the question, let me introduce myself. My name is Rani Maharani and I'm a student of the Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Science, Jakarta State University. Back to the question, what if we had two moons? First of all, if we had an extra moon, which is the same size as the moon we have today, the possibility is the night sky will become brighter and more beautiful with a view of the two moons. But the good effect ain't there, because if there are two moons, we will find it difficult to determine the time and night is longer than it should be. Nocturnal animals will be difficult to adapt and will be more intelligent. Then, changes in seasonal patterns will make farmers lose their crops, and it can make mankind starve to death. One of the roles of the moon is to regulate the waves. Surfers might be happy, because if there are two moons, then the wave will be 6 stronger and higher. But this is bad news for those living on the coast. Because over time, the wave will erode the land and can destroy big cities, including New York, Singapore, and London, will be disappear. The bad impact that will occur if there are two moons is not only for areas on the coast, but the additional gravity of the moon will pull the Earth's soil layer in the high lines, which can cause earthquakes, tsunami, volcanic eruption, and ash rain can even cause mass extinction. If we have two moons, millions of years from now, the day will have grown by 60%, lasting longer than 28 hours. A little extra time in the day maybe sound pretty nice. But the extra moon will drift toward the current moon, and that's where the real dangers come in. After millions of years, moon would collide. The impact will be so massive, it will rip the every core of the moon apart. And the ruins can reach the earth and cause mass extinction. And what didn't hit the planet would instead be trapped by Earth gravity, forming a ring of debris around the equator similar to the ring around Saturn. But not for long. Within just a few years, those clumps would clump together, forming one large single body. But let's end all this nightmare. The next question is it possible if the Earth has two moons? Eric Aspau of the University of California, Santa Cruz once guessed the Earth once had two moons, where there is moon whose size is 3 times smaller than its current size. They lived together until one day they finally collided and left the moon that we see today. In 2020, researchers also discovered a dwarf moon that has circled the Earth for the last 3 years, called asteroid 2020 CD3. The funny thing is that this dwarf moon only has the same size as a car. The dwarf moon comes from the asteroid Arjuna, and more surprising in history is true that the many dwarf moons have followed the current moon, and they have a different size. After this long explanation, do you still want to have two moons to get a longer sleep and a more beautiful night? But I hope you don't want it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.